Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be coming to you guys with a big chop on my little sister Sydney's hair. It's already done, so if you guys want to see how we got to this point, then just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so I'm doing my little sister hair right now, and I just realized that she has a lot of like straggly ends, which is not good. You know, she wants her hair to grow. So right now I'm moisturizing her scalp, her hair by wetting it, putting in some moisturizer, and then at the end we're gonna give her a big chop. So if y'all can't see me, that's not important. Gonna fast forward this part of me like moisturizing her hair, and at the end we're gonna come back and we're gonna cut it. Okay? She's on a healthy hair journey. Now that I'm home, I ain't gonna have my little sister looking like this. Her hair is so tangled. She don't know how to take care of it. She don't know how to moisturize it. So we're gonna get her right. Parting it in sections, and I'm moisturizing her scalp with this Blue Magic hair food. This is just what we got in the house right now. And then I'm coating the rest of her hair with the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator. So it's for dry, dehydrated hair, which she has right now. Unfortunately, my hair is dry too. Like, some people's hair type is just prone to dryness, but it shouldn't be this dry. You gotta take care of it a little better than this. So that's just what we're doing right now. Just wanted to tell y'all what products we're using. So let's get back into the fast forwarding. But another tip is, when you're moisturizing your hair, make sure like you're wetting it before you put moisturizer on, because if you put moisturizer on top of dry hair, you're just sealing in dry hair. So that's a tip. If you have if your hair is more dry, definitely implement that into your hair care, because I find that it makes a big difference in my hair.
Been a long time. I shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two, step two. It's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two.
I'm also using a diamond brush after I put the curl activator on it, just so I can see where her curls stop, so you can see like it's more defined up here. I'm gonna show y'all at the end, but it's more defined up here, and then she has like these straggly pieces that gotta go. That's causing her hair to break off, and she's not retaining length that way. So I'm not a professional hairstylist, but I've been taking care of my hair for a long time, so I'm pretty knowledgeable on how to take care of it.
It's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you. Been a long time. I shouldn't have left you. Been a long time.
A lot of this hair gotta go.
What you mean? So it didn't look like that the last time I saw it. What happened?
It did, Mom.
Nobody else think, because when your hair down your back, you ain't gonna have nothing to say. You got a cute face. You got beautiful skin. You don't need, it's fine. You can wear whatever hairstyle you want to wear. And nobody gotta say a daggone thing, because I will beat you right up. And you know I will.
Her brother followed you on Instagram.
Her brother?
His name is Jordan too.
When you cut your hair, go back faster too. Faster and prettier.
Okay, what is
That part is tangled.
I'm subscribing to this channel.
This is a YouTube video I'm making.
Okay guys, so this is what her hair looks like after I detangled and moisturized the whole thing. And as you guys could see, my baby girl, her ends are bad. So I'm about to have to resection it and cut it. This is the before. Look at me. Why do you look disgusted? Clip, y'all will see me sectioning and cutting her hair.
Yay.
You gonna keep your head still?
Okay, so I'm using a dimming brush to get her curls defined so I can see where to start cutting. Okay, and I'm using hair scissors, not regular scissors. And fine tooth comb for the ends, make sure I get a straight cut. Okay, section 1 done. I need a clip so I can keep them separated.
No, that's too slow. Go ahead and put that thing in order. I want you to rock the boat. Hey, work it in the middle. Yeah. Stroke it, baby. Stroke it for me. Stroke it for me. Stroke it for me. Stroke it, baby. Stroke it, hold me close. Work it, baby. Work it, hold me close. Stroke it. There is something I want you to do for me.
Okay guys, so we just finished one side of Sydney's hair. So this side is the side that I trimmed, and as you can see, it's a lot more healthy looking already. Of course, this is just the first step. We still have to do like treatments and stuff for our hair on a regular basis to get it back to health. But this side already looks better than, turn it back, so look at it. No more straggly ends. She wore a blindfold because she didn't want to see me cut her hair. But this is all the hair that we cut off of one side. You guys see how unhealthy that is. It's just not. So all of that is gone. And once she starts her hair journey, taking care of it on a regular, her curl pattern is going to flourish and it's going to be a lot better. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut this side.
Something I ain't felt before. Oh, I've been dreaming about it, and it's you I'm on. So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost. Let me our thoughts. Can't get what we want without knowing. I've never felt like this before.
Okay guys, so I just finished cutting my sister's hair and I just braided it. I put it in 2 braids. They're not perfect because her hair is short in the back, so they're a little loose, but my baby got edges for days though. Look at these edges. Ooh. She always had the best baby hairs. But yeah, this is how much hair we cut off. Her whole head, and as y'all can see, like, the pieces are very straight and stringy, so they had to go. Her hair is a lot more healthy now, you know, cut all those ends off. How you feel, Sid?
I feel better knowing that I don't have as much damage on my hair, that it can grow, get longer.
Yeah, you know, she's 13, so she got a lot of time to grow her hair out. And y'all know, like, she was a little nervous to cut all her hair, but she still got a lot of hair and it's only gonna get longer and healthier. So I just had to do this for her and give her some tips on how to take care of her hair because I'm not always here. So yeah, that concludes this video. If you guys want to see any more videos with Sydney, let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give me a like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one.